Is electric cheaper in the long run? That's silly because absolutely. Your upfront cost, people's all about, oh, the batteries are so expensive. The machines are so expensive. For one, they're actually not that much more expensive than, like an X Mark versus an Ego. But where you're really saving the money is, of course, in the maintenance. Everyone thinks the fuel and the gas, like, well, the gas, if you compare, if you're paying some gas compared to the batteries and all that stuff, I hear all these silly comparisons that's not everything. You've got the gas. You've also got the time that you go and get the gas. And when everyone's going in and getting all their drinks at every stop, even though they've had 3 to 4 energy drinks already that day, more and more and more, get something else for to eat, and then wonder why at the end of the week you've spent so much money throughout the week on just junk food and whatever, just to kind of take another break. And then all of a sudden your day is not as efficient because you've made so many stops. But not only that, you can tell I'm speaking from some experience and irritation, but not having to pay for so much maintenance, not having to hire a mechanic or be a mechanic, clean the carburetors, new spark plugs, new air filters, all these little things add up. The pull strings that when a carburetor isn't working right and that blower, you're pulling that BR600 and you're pulling, and it starts for a minute and then it stops. I mean, the aggravation is so real. I understand it. I know it. I've felt it. I've lived it. And having that gone is priceless. And not having the aches and pains from afterwards. But just the time in that. And then having to, say you pull the string too hard and you rip it. And I mean, all these little things just add up to so much time. And of course, time is money. But the maintenance alone is such a huge cost. And even though the parts aren't that expensive, it's the labor in it, which whether you're doing it or someone else is doing it, you're paying to do it, you're still paying to do it. So, with us, that was one of our big factors of learning that once we switched over, just partially, the return on the investment was almost immediate because of how much we were saving. And, even as simple as, mixing the oil and gas together for your 2-cycle. If it's not right, it may start the first time or the second time, but then there's going to be something that's going to be messing up. Even something as easy as like an exhaust screen. Well, it sounds easy, but it's a pain in the butt to change. There's just all these little factors that really, really you don't understand until after making the transition of how much time you wasted and how much money you wasted before. So hopefully that answered that in a very long sort of way. Sorry. But yes, it is definitely much cheaper in the long run for many, many reasons. All right.